Coronado Beach, located in the city of Coronado, California, is one of the great destinations for tourists who want to enjoy the harmony between the vast ocean and smooth white sand. With its romantic beauty and wonderful natural space, Coronado Beach attracts thousands of visitors every year. The beach, located next to the Coronado Beach Resort Hotel, is one of the city's special architectural wonders. With its long history and classic beauty, this hotel is an ideal destination for those who want to enjoy the beach. Coronado Beach, California, is located in a special geographical location on the Coronado Peninsula, southwest of the city of San Diego. Located at the northern end of the Atlantic Ocean, this beach offers a prime location with sweeping ocean views and long white sand beaches. Coronado Beach is surrounded by other famous California landmarks, including San Diego Bay to the northeast and Point Loma to the southwest. Its location not only facilitates stunning scenery but is also an ideal destination for fun, relaxation and exploration activities. Besides, people in Coronado are often described as friendly and active. The local community focuses on maintaining a healthy and sustainable living environment. With a variety of cultural, sports and educational activities, Coronado residents regularly participate and contribute to community development. The climate and human environment in Coronado, California, create a diverse and harmonious ecological picture. With a mild and warm climate year-round, Coronado is an ideal place for the growth of many different species of plants and animals. With its long beaches and clear ocean waters, Coronado is part of a large marine ecosystem, providing refuge and nutrition for many species of fish and other marine life. Local communities are working to protect and maintain the marine environment through conservation and public education programs. Animal nature and coral reefs are indispensable parts of the marine landscape at Coronado Beach, California. With a favorable location in the Pacific Ocean, this beach is an important habitat for a variety of marine species. The impact of tourism also poses a number of challenges for California, including pressure on infrastructure and the environment, as well as issues of environmental protection and maintaining a balance between tourism and conservation. Environment. With wandering, you will be led through enchanting journeys from places of natural wonder to vibrant cities. We will bring you unique experiences and constantly stimulate your curiosity about the world around you. Right now by clicking the subscribe button and sharing the channel with your friends and relatives. Together, we will explore the world and create unforgettable memories.